So the other day I ordered LED light bars for the Miata because I'm going to do sleepy eyes on it. They just got here today. I am so excited to install these. This is what they look like. It was just like a cheap set on Amazon for like 30 bucks. I also went ahead and ordered these pigtails. These are actually the conversion pigtails for H4 headlamps. But I went ahead and got these because I don't want to cut up the wiring harness in my car. So I know there's a lot of videos of how to do sleepy eyes on Miatas already out there on YouTube. So I'm not really going to go into any detail of what I'm doing. I'm just going to show you guys what to do essentially without explaining any of it because it's a really easy install. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm actually going to move my Miata from right there to either right here, because Ben has the driveway taken up with his E24 that he needs to get rid of. So instead of unplugging my headlight motors like everyone else, I'm just gonna take out the fuse right here. I got the fuse out, it's kind of a pain in the butt, but not gonna be needing this anymore. Basically from here, I'm gonna just take apart the pop-ups. So we got these wired up. Basically, black goes to black, that's ground. But the red one, the power wire for the LEDs, goes to the blue one on the pigtail because on the Miata, the top one, the red with black stripe, that's the power. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and see if it works. Sweet, we have a working light, and that is very bright. Sweet, everything's installed now on this side, so last step is to kind of just take this cover off and lower it. That looks so mean. All right, now the other side. And we are done. Sleepy eyes on the Miata. I might move them around and re-angle them and re-space them at some point. But for now, I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, that was just a quick little video doing sleepy eyes on the Miata. Later this week or this weekend, I'm gonna be cleaning up my engine bay. I'm gonna be deleting my windshield washer bottle and removing the charcoal filter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys at the next one. Peace out.